Hey YouTube! We're here today at Moores Valley on a very wet summer's day and we're heading down to the Moores Valley Railway. Today we're going to have a little sneak peek around the engine shed to see all the engines. Is that exciting, Jaxon? And we've got a very special birthday surprise coming up for Jaxon as well, so make sure you stay tuned.
It's a lovely day here in sunny Dorset. Not. Here's the track now, guys. We're just walking towards it now.
Going over the bridge.
Over the bridge.
Yeah. Where the ducks live.
We're cold.
Yeah, don't make it cold. Last time we came over here, there were little ducklings in this pond, weren't there?
Yeah, so we're just going over the bridge towards the train shed now. So then we'll be going on the train afterwards, after we've had a look in the engine room, which is pretty cool. We've not done that before. Are you looking forward to this, Henry?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love wet.
You love wet? You love getting wet, do you?
Yeah.
Henry's more bothered about getting wet than he is going on the train. But Jaxon, you want to go on the train, mate, don't you? Right, guys, we'll see you at the shed. All the trains are fired up, guys, ready to go. Look, there's one in the shed over the back there, and the one here, look. All steaming, ready to go. Oh, look at all these. Just be careful with the track, yeah? Okay. Take your hood down.
None of them are hot, so you can go in and have a, if you want to sit in one, you go and sit in one.
Wow.
Help yourself, basically.
We're going to sit in one, Jaxon.
Yeah.
Which one do you fancy?
Which one looks the coolest?
This one,
Sit in here,
or this
yeah.
blue one.
Yeah, go in
There
that
you
one then.
Got him.
Wow.
Is that well
Put 'em.
Is that well cold?
Oh, it looks like real cold.
Shall I tell you what happens in here then? You sit back. Alright? So nothing's going to happen. Sorry, it's not going to make
It's not going to be noisy,
alright.
darling.
It's not, there's no steam, so you're okay. Normally the fire is in here. Okay? Yeah? And this is what makes the noise, so you can see that it's not going to make a noise today, so you're alright, okay? But that normally is what blows the whistle. This is a handbrake, so this makes sure it doesn't move when it shouldn't, okay? And this one here is what makes it go. So when it stops steam, you open that, and the cylinders at the front will move the rods, alright? You like this one? Yeah.
I like it.
You want to ride it? We're going to go on the other train. The other
Yeah.
track ready, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo. Look how many they've got. I didn't realise you had so many trains.
Yeah, we've got,
Yeah.
got 15.
Wow.
Well, actually, we've got 18. We've got 15 that are serviceable, so we can run them, and we tend to have 2 or 3 out of service throughout the year that need overhaul. I don't think we've done everything. 5 years now.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Enjoying the nice weather?
Gorgeous, isn't it, mate?
Go and have a look.
Come on down here then. Just be careful of this one because this one. Alright. You want to go and stand over there so you can get a picture?
Yeah, it's alright, it won't go off again. Stand with mummy. Let's go then. Thank you.
Next one, Bob, stuff for luggage. You're not
Got
luggage.
it. Yeah. Not yet.
Go on then, in here. I'm luggage.
Gonna go in this one, yeah?
Birthday train.
Yeah, you were on the train.
You know
So-
how close the name of the engine was for your name as well?
Oh,
The
right.
name of the engine is Jaxon, so there you go.
Ah.
Yeah.
The engine's called Jaxon.
Is that
It's a bit windy and rainy. What do you think? Good. Are we getting soaking? Do you want your hood on?
Yeah.
Yeah, put your hood on.
Yay.
Yay, off we go! We go!
Thank you.
Yay, birthday train! Yay! Now we're going to go so far, so we're going to get through all of the rain. We're not even going to feel it.
Yeah.
This train goes pretty fast, doesn't it? Do you want your hood on, Henry? No? Look at his face.
Oh, hello. Yay! Henry, you're soaking wet, darling.
Oh yeah. It's pretty.
We're near the end of our train ride, guys, nearly. We're just coming through the other station now. I'll show you.
Lakeside.
Camera's a bit steamy. Should have bought umbrellas, really.
Yeah.
What's an umbrella?
That's what I
Should have bought umbrella, really. Should have bought umbrellas, really. Umbrellas. Not an umbrella. Not an umbrella. Umbrella. Oh. Too much rain.
Oh, it's raining again. Oh no!
Yeah.
Yay, we survived!
Yeah, we're back at the shed. Yay! It was lovely.
We almost drowned.
Absolutely insane.
That was insane. Did you like that, Jag?
Yeah, ashes on my head.
Yeah. Ooh.
So boys, what do you think of your train ride then?
Absolutely insane.
Absolutely insane. What do you think, Jackson?
Absolutely insane.
Was it fun? Yeah, I think it made it more fun because we were soaking, didn't it?
Yeah, I really
Yeah.
liked the shed. That was good.
Yeah, it was good seeing all the trains and everything, wasn't it?
Definitely need this hot chocolate.
Yeah.
I liked Jason's train. He drove us around.
Yeah, the train was called Jason, wasn't it? It's kind of like your name, isn't it, Jax?
Yeah, that was really good.
So they've just treated us to some drinks and we've got a hot chocolate to warm us up before we go on to our next
You don't want it?
journey. There's a changeover over there, look, in the cool train.
Guys, we've had an amazing time here at Moores Valley today, but we are going to leave it there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye, guys.